Now, to dive into the concepts of responsive and adaptive apps and widgets, I'm back here in this expense tracker project on which we worked in the previous course section. And attached you find my lib folder, which you could drag and drop into a new project in case you did not follow along in the previous section. You should then also make sure that you install the UUID and Intel packages into that project though, so that these dependencies are added to your pubspec.yaml file. And with that, you're ready to follow along. So what's this course section all about? What are responsive apps and adaptive widgets? Well, with responsive app, I mean that if I have a device where screen rotation is unlocked, that's important, and I then rotate my screen, the app does generally adjust, but of course the UI is not optimized for that. Here you can see that this UI now looks awful. I have this chart which is way too big, and I have my list of expenses here which, yeah, is scrollable, but which takes up only a small chunk of the available space. On the other hand, if I try to add a new expense, this screen here is alright, but we also could organize this screen differently. Because with all that available width that we have here in landscape mode, we could, for example, position the amount next to the title and the drop down next to the date picker, or something like this. So the UI is simply not optimized for this screen rotation. That's the problem. And a responsive app is an app where the layout and styling adjusts to the available space, to the available width, and to the mode in which the app is run, so to portrait or landscape mode. That's what responsiveness means and what we're going to take a closer look at in this course section.